The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Springfield Police Department. Residents in Springfield, return home and lock all doors and windows immediately. It has been reported that a suspect is roaming around the city, attacking and killing anyone in sight. It is unknown who this person is, or what their motive is. All residents are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. If you see any suspicious activity in your area, dial 911 or your local police department. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Springfield Police Department. This is an update on the current situation going on in Springfield. The suspect that has been going around and attacking citizens has been identified as Serena Owens. She is a white female, 16 years of age, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 114 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a gray cardigan, a pink tank top underneath, blue jeans, and black shoes. She is wielding a small kitchen knife, which she uses to kill her victims. Serena is extremely dangerous and should not be approached. All residents hearing this message are advised to remain indoors. Feel free to shelter in place if needed. If Serena Owens breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation.
An administrative message, from the Springfield Police. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Springfield Police Department. Serena Owens, the girl that was going around and attacking citizens, has been caught. She was arrested and questioned by authorities. It has been revealed that the reason why she was attacking and killing people was because she was madly in love with someone, and was doing all this in order to get closer to them. She stated that she just wanted it to be the two of them, and was worried that someone would get in the way of her love. This caused her to go insane and start this rampage in Springfield. Her court date is expected to be in the next couple of weeks. All residents are now free to continue with their daily lives. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume regularly.